Yo, what's going on guys? Rowan here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna work out on a brand new beard tutorial. I haven't done a beard tutorial in quite a long time and many of you requested a fresh one. So on this occasion, I'm going to partnership with Manscaped and I'm going to use the MOWER 3.0 trimmer. I say enough talking guys, and let's get started. And all done guys, as you can see, precision, on point, nice fade on the side. And before I'm gonna finish this video guys, I'm going to show you what it's coming exactly in a Manscaped box. So let's take a look.
As mentioned before, this video is brought to you by Manscaped. Few features and benefits about the MOWER 3.0 is waterproof, built with advanced skin-safe technology. Also a great update is the LED light and improved battery life. Brand new to the collection we have the Weed Whacker nose and ear hair trimmer, also built with advanced skin-safe that uses 9000 RPM motor-powered 360-degree rotary dual blade system. Crop Preserver, which is an anti-chafing clear gel deodorant for your high friction areas. Cruelty free, paraben free and 100% vegan. Next we have the Crop Revivier for applying throughout the day when you need a quick fresh. Made from aloe plus witch hazel. Now the last in the box we have the Duster, which is a great foot deodorant trusted by professional athletes and designed for active lifestyle. Guys, get 20% off plus free shipping and 2 free gifts with code Rowan at manscaped.com.
Thank you so much for watching guys. If you enjoyed, please share with your friends, comment below, let me know what would you like to see next on my YouTube channel, and as always try my best to bring it out for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this beard tutorial, and until then we'll see you next time. Woo!